good. I wish you guys could smell this.
E2 Fun Collections! Yay!
Hi friends, welcome back to ELANA's cooking video. Yay! Today we'll be making Korean barbecue short ribs. Here are the ingredients. 10 of these cloves of garlic, chopped. Half a jar of Korean barbecue marinade, but don't forget to get the one for beef. Add approximately 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce to the marinade. You could add more or less depending how you like it, but taste it first. Drizzle some sesame oil or perilla oil into the marinade. And the star of the show, ta-da! Beef short ribs! These have been marinated overnight. These smell so good. Let's grill them. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's 2.5 pounds of beef short ribs. Safety glasses on, tongs in hand, parent supervision. Yes, they're standing right in front of me. The charcoal grill is now ready to cook. Wow! You hear the sizzling sound? It smells so good. It's making me hungry. This smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. This is how I like to eat it. A big piece of lettuce, some cucumbers, some rice, two pieces of meat, and then we roll it up. It's so good! If you like spicy, you could add some kimchi. Let me roll one for you. A big piece of lettuce, some cucumbers, some rice, two pieces of meat, and kimchi. I'm not gonna eat this. It's too spicy. This is for my parents. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck making these Korean barbecue short ribs. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and surprises.